Hello mga kabatang helmet! So ayan, mag-uulat muna tayo ngayon hinggil nga doon sa mayoral hackathon na nagaganap ngayon sa Naga City. O diba, wala talagang pahinga si Mayor Leni Robredo kasi kahapon bumisita si PBBM. Tapos after noon, may meeting pa siyang intentenan, tapos may another meeting pa. Tapos ngayon, yung parang hindi siya launching kasi ni-launch na. So eto, 15 challengers yung magko-compete talaga. Tapos magiging parang top 3. Tapos ongoing pa rin yan ngayon mga kabatang helmet. Pero grabe talaga si Mayor Leni Robredo. Ito ang totoong action bilis mo sila. Action, hindi bakasyon. Aksyon, hindi bakasyon. Kasi yung iba dyan, puro na lang bakasyon, walang aksyon, pero may balak tumakbo. Tapos meron pa ako nabalitaan, videographer. Wala naman daw siyang balak na tumakbo bilang VP. O sino yun? Diyos ko, alam no, imumugyo na lang yan, imumugyo na lang. Kasi baka ang dami yung tartar, Kasi yung tartar, alam mo yun, mga batang helmet, kapag bulok yung ipin nyo, pag ang daming tartar na yan, pag umakit yan kasi sa brain, alam mo yun? Kaya di ba yung mga bulok na ipin, nagkukos yan ng infection, tapos yung iba nagkakaroon din ng meningitis.
Good afternoon, everyone. Maray na hapon sa Indogabos. Congratulations to our challengers and thank you to our partners and to every Nagenyo and every visitor who is here with us today. Today, we are filled with the boundless energy of a shared mission. As many of you know, we began with more than 200 teams from 89 cities across the country, and now we are down to the best 15. As I have mentioned during the opening program, nearly 3 decades ago, we envisioned our beloved Naga to be our maugmang lugar or our happy place. And since then, we have been working hard to achieve and realize this dream. So yung mga nandito po na mga 15 of our best teams who share their brilliance at the start of this journey. Thank you. Saludo po kami sa inyong lahat. Let me first acknowledge all the 15 teams who are with us this afternoon. Hihingiin ko lang po na as I call the name of your team, baka pwedeng tumayo. Natin, yung tinawag natin na 15, are among the best of the country. So everyone knows that the top 3 teams will be incubated by the City Mayor's Office for actual deployment here in Naga City. We could not have reached this final stage without the organizations that recognize the weight of this mission. Our deepest gratitude to our co-presenters, the Angat Buhay Foundation, led by its Executive Director, Rafi Magno. Tayo ka naman, Rafi. And the Naga City Collaboration Lab. Sino yung representatives ng Naga Collab Lab? Ayan, nandyan si Elaine, nandyan si Vox helping RJ out. Okay, our technical and academic partners, Red Wizard Events Technologies, Packetworks Incorporated, the Asian Institute of Management, the Center for Global Best Practices, BetterGov PH, and OpenVerse PH. We also recognize the partners who invested in this vision, Cloud Solutions. Maraming salamat po. Eastern Communications. Thank you very much. Nandun sa likod. BLDT Enterprise, Bicol Isarog, and One Chain. So to our 15 finalists, as you prepare your pitches, remember that we are, inulit-ulit na siguro to sa inyo, we are not necessarily looking for the most sophisticated code. We are looking for the most thoughtful response to a real civic need here in Naga. We want solutions that understand the daily struggles of our most vulnerable citizens. So as we listen to your presentations today, let us be reminded that our goal is not just to win, but to serve. Pero bago po yan lahat, wala tayong winners kung wala yung ating Board of Judges. So allow me to acknowledge also the members of the board who are with us this afternoon. Thank you very much for flying all the way from Manila and from wherever you are to help us and to join us this afternoon. So lahat po tayo excited to listen and to watch all the pitches. I am sure lahat ito magaganda and I am sure my future ang lahat na ipipresent ninyo. But together, let us continue building a Naga that is more sustainable, more livable, and more inclusive for all. So for an open, digital, and participatory maugmang lugar, thank you very much for coming over, joining this hackathon. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.
Pero ayun nga, mga batang helmet. Kay Mayor Leni
Dapat
Robredo.
kasi itulog na lang niya. Mukhang nakukulangan niya siya ng tulog.
Hindi, imumug mo na lang yan, ha?
Magkape siya.
Naiirita na naman ako. Pero ito nga mga kabatang helmet, ongoing pa rin yan sa Naga, Pichoga Park. Wala talaga akong masabi kay Mayor Leni Robredo. Kasi yun talaga yung makikita mo na walang politika yun. Kasi magmula pa noon na kaya niya
ng walang politika.
Kasi ito,
Puro promotion ng sarili.
hindi ito, ang best example ng pamumulitika. Di ba nga, sinabi ng napakagaling ng VP na meron daw siyang alam na solusyon para pababain yung presyo ng bigas. Pero hindi niya sasabihin kasi nga ayaw niyang makipagtulungan. Oh, di ba?
Sino yun?
Kasi may balak. Pero ayun nga mga batang helmet, ito yung opening remarks ni Mayor Leni Robredo hinggil nga yun sa nagaganap na mayoral hackathon. Wala talaga akong masabi dahil yung mga ulupong ngayon, maglulog na lang talaga kayo kasi feeling ko talaga may tartar yung ipin nyo. Na high blood ako. Ang init-init sa labas, nung ba nagdag pa itong, ito pa, videographer. Yung makakatandem daw, ay, nabalitaan mo ba yung sinabi ng isang magaling na buga ng buga nung 2022 tapos biglang parang bumalik ka tapos ubo ng ubo? Kilala mo ba yun? Di ba? Yung ubo ng ubo? Diba? Yung ubo ng ubo. So,
Sino yun?
ngayon, sabi niya, sino daw ba yung pwedeng ipanglaban?
May ubo sa utak.
Sino daw yung pwedeng ipanlaban? Kay Robin. Kasi sa bet daw niyang si Robin. Diyos ko. Tapos may nag-comment doon, Bichuga Per, kinahihiya siya ng tiga-UP.
Sino naman yun?
Pero yun nga mama na helmet, panoorin niyo muna yung nagaganap na mayoral hackathon ngayon sa Naga City.